What's up, Algebra 2 friends? Let's go ahead and continue our functions notes. I already did number 11 for you. Let's go ahead and start with number 12. 12 is telling us to write this in set builder notation, but I find it easier to start with interval notation and then turn that into set builder notation. So that's how I'm going to approach this. Next, we need to find our x-intercept and our y-intercept. Remember to list these as ordered pairs. Our zeros are always where x equals 0. To determine if this is a function, we're going to use the vertical line test. I'm going to use a ruler to do this, but you could also use a pen or a pencil. If there's anywhere where it touches two spots at once, it is not a function. To determine intervals of increasing and decreasing, pretend we're on a roller coaster. Our roller coaster for number 17 goes down first, so it's decreasing. I'm going to go ahead and write that it's decreasing here. Next, our roller coaster starts to increase and go up. So I'm going to write that it then increases. Decreasing and increasing tells us what our y is doing. We need to write down where on the x-axis is y decreasing and where is it increasing. Because we have an arrow, our roller coaster starts at negative infinity, and we're going to go down until we hit 0. Next, our roller coaster is going to start at 0 at the bottom where it left off, and it's going to increase to infinity. Look at number 19. At the beginning of 19, we're neither increasing nor decreasing. We are remaining constant. I'm going to write down the intervals where we remain constant. Then I'm going to finish the problem off camera. The last thing we need to talk about is end behavior. So our focus is on those two arrows at the end of the line. Starting with as x approaches negative infinity, our f of x, or y, approaches infinity. Our arrow is pointing up. As x approaches positive infinity, f of x also approaches infinity.